Welcome back to Ben's Garage. Today we're back in the Chuggaboom, the TD-V8 Chuggaboom. It is Scotchio out there, it really is hot. We are forecast for storms today, but I've got a few little jobs I want to do on the Range Rover. One of the main jobs I really want to do is wash the car, because it is absolutely filthy. Trouble is, we're on a bit of a hosepipe ban water shortage at the moment, so that's put a no-no on that one. We've got a new pressure washer, and over the years I've only ever washed a car with a bucket and a sponge and a hosepipe. But now it seems to be that the way forward for washing cars is all this detailing products. So we've got a pressure washer. I've got a spray foam machine that goes on the end of it, and we've got some spray foam. Never used it before, but it seems to be the thing to do nowadays. So, but of course, until we can use the water out of the tap, we can't do it. So we're just gonna have to put up with a dirty car. Not ideal, because I really would like to get it clean. But today I'm going to fit these. These are knobs for the armrest. If you can see that. On the car we have black plastic ones. Let me bring you in closer. Yeah, black plastic. They don't look the best. These ones are like the Autobiography style. Now, I've bought a few things from a firm called Powerful UK. They sell these, but I didn't get them from that firm. I think they are well overpriced. They sell these for £95 for this particular Range Rover. I've got these off eBay, which they look exactly the same. They probably come from exactly the same place. €23. It's a no-brainer. I think they're a little bit naughty with that one, because they obviously, if they are getting them from the same place as me, they could obviously buy them in bulk and get them a lot cheaper than I can, and they're whacking them out for quite a bit of profit. As I say, I have used them and I've been happy with them before. We bought the side tubes, various bits and pieces, bit of chrome embellishments on the front of the car, and I've been happy with it. But when it was pointed out that you can get these and they are exactly the same for less than half the price, it was a no-brainer for me. So today we're going to try and fit them. It should be straightforward. I do believe you just pop these apart, like so. Let me bring you down here and show you. That's come out there quite easy, actually. I wasn't expecting it to be that easy. Just get a little screwdriver, take this clip out and keep hold of that clip. That should now pull straight off like that, and this one should just go straight back in. I mean, look, they're just really, they're alright, but they look a lot nicer. Now there is a flat on here, so you're going to have to just drop that on and turn it round till you get the flat. It goes in like so, and then we should just be able to put the clip back in. And that's it. Clip it all back together, and there we go. Job is a bloody good one. See if this side's going to be quite as easy. Pull the clip out, that comes out, put the new one in, turn it so it gets on the flat, push it all the way in, put the clip back in, reinstall the plastic, the trim, and there we go. So that's those two fitted. That was rather easy, wasn't it? So here's the old ones. Just 2 bits of plastic. Now we've got 2 bits of sort of metal. And they work as they should do. Pucker-ding. I quite like that. While we're here, we've got some more embellishments. What are these, you say? These are 2 discs which just go in the cup holders, so that when you pour your cup of coffee out or whatever beverage you've got in your cup holder, you're reminded that you're driving a Range Rover. I know a lot of you are thinking what a load of nonsense, but it's just little touches like that that I like. I don't like covering the car with chrome and bits and pieces, but just like little touches here, there and everywhere. Just pull the cup holder out, tip all the rubbish out of it. Now, being as we're still in the era of COVID, we have some wipes in the car, so I shall just give it a wipe out, because these things have got sticky back on them. So what I should do is just wipe this out, get any sort of grease out of it so that they stick a bit nicer. So what I'm doing, just rubbing that out. So I'm just going to let that dry on the dashboard while I do the other one. Some crap in there. So do I put Range at the top, Rover at the bottom, or Rover at the top, Range at the bottom? I think we'll go for Range at the top. Range Rover. So I'll put that up there to dry as well. We'll have a quick look down here. This is where the cup holders come out of. There's a little bit of rubbish in here. I need to get the hoover in here. So we've got this one. It says Range. It's got sticky back on it, so it is adhesive. I've had these for a long time and I've just not got round to doing them. But because I've come out and done the armrests, I thought I'd stick these on. If I can peel the back off, that is. Flipping heck. Like so. Now, get it as straight as I possibly can. Squash it down. I hope these are the same. Didn't think about that, did I? No, they're the same. Push it in. It's quite sticky. And there we go, Rover. Let's have a quick look at that. Range Rover. Most of the time we've got stuff in the cup holders, so you're never going to see it. But I'll know it's there. Let me put all this stuff back then. Air freshener. A couple of euros. a trolley token, a packet of Tic Tacs, and some Mentos. So anyway, that's that. That is this video done and dusted. That is how to fit Autobiography style armrest adjusting knobs. Now that's a bit of a mouthful in itself, but you get the idea. I didn't even need a special tool. I've got a, hang on. I've got this special tool out, which is like a trim removing tool. On Powerful UK's video, he was trying to pull this trim apart with like a plastic trim removing tool. On some of the earlier TD-V8s, they could be quite brittle, so they might need a little bit of biffy. So Tina got me this out of my toolbox, trim removing tool. I didn't need it. I managed to get my fingernails in there and just pull it off, and it's really hot in here, so that helps because the plastic's a little bit more malleable, a bit more flexible. If it was like really cold, it could be quite brittle and you might end up breaking something. So you might need a tool. I didn't, but that's it. They're all done. So that's it. Yeah. So when you order parts from these websites, just do be careful. Do a bit of research, because I would never pay £95 for those. That's £95 plus postage. So you're looking at over £100 just for these knobs. I got these off eBay. They look exactly the same. They probably are exactly the same, made in exactly the same factory. I'm not slating Powerful UK because I think they're a good company. And as I said, we've got other parts that we've used from them before. But you don't want to be paying over the odds for things. I think I got these for, it was €24 off eBay. I mean, it might have been pounds, I can't remember. But it was free postage. They did take a long time to get here, I must admit. Nearly 2 months, but that's due to COVID, and they was coming from China, which I'm almost certain that the ones from Powerful UK are exactly the same. So just bear that in mind when you're buying stuff for these motors. But that's it. That's a how-to. Another bit of a Range Rover video, because the Range Rover videos, I've not put many out. I've got some plans, but it's just with the weather at the moment, it's so hot. It's been hitting nearly 40 degrees here. It's been too hot to come outside. Today is the first freshest day, and even today's forecast storms. While we're here, just a quick update on the garage. It's all ready for concrete. Tina's got in touch with the concrete company, and in true typical French style, they're all on holiday for the month of August. They're not back to work until the 23rd of August. I think my sister's coming over about that sort of time, so Dad probably won't want to come over and help do it while she's here. So we're looking towards September now, but it will get done. It's all good to go. Membrane's all nailed up, the reinforcing's on feet. All we just need is a cement lorry to back up into the door, fill it up. Dad and Tina can get in there and do what they got to do, and then the garage floor is done, and things can progress a little bit then. But yeah, so that's just a little bit of an update, and that's about what I've got for you today. So keep your eyes out. There will be more Range Rover videos coming along. I want to detail the car, but until we can use the hose pipe again, it's not going to happen. So there probably will be a few more videos on the Panda coming up. We're going to check the dwell angle on the points and set the ignition timing, and if that still doesn't fix it, then I've got a rebuild kit for the carburetor, so we'll be doing a full strip down on the carburetor, because that's got to go for its emissions CT next month, so we need to get that sorted out so she can take it up, get the emissions checked, and that's done for a year then. So if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. That all helps, pushes our videos up. Drop us any comments you want down below, as long as they're nice ones, of course. And so from me and the Hobbit, knocking 7 bells of shit out of the chicken shed, it's bye for now.